Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. Got a couple products here for my brand new iPhone 11 product, Red. Man, come on now. That is one beautiful looking smartphone. I love the aesthetic design. Truly digging it. Down below, in the description area, a link that will take you on over to Amazon, and you're going to see both of these products over there. I will edit in some information to this video, and you're probably looking at it right now. Tempered glass screen protectors and the Shamo clear case. Feels like a hard plastic polycarbonate back. The purpose I brought this in, the reason I brought this in, the reason, well, for protection, number one, but number two, so you can see the red. I see red. Do you see red? All that information down below. Let's go ahead and check out these products, and I'm going to do the install as well. So let's do that. I'm going to start with the tempered glass screen protector so I can get this out of the way. Okay. Screen Pro Premium Tempered Glass Explosion Proof. Got a lot of information there. But you're going to read all of that information over at Amazon. Oh, they even got a little frame here to put over the top so I don't make a mistake. That's pretty cool and nifty. All right. There's 3 tempered glass screen protectors in here. This was rated one of the best. So yeah. All right. So we'll get that out. And I'll move that over here. I'll put that right there. And then I'm going to get into this little packet here. If you've never done this before, please read everything. I tend to skip like this little sticky pad here, but you may want to do it that way at first. Disclaimer, just because you want to get it right. If I screw up, I screw up, but I hope I don't. Okay, and hopefully I don't hit my tripod here. So we want to wipe the display down as best as possible. The 1080p LCD display. It's not OLED. The other 2 iPhone 11s are the iPhone 11 Pro and Pro Max. So hopefully I got everything. I probably already got everything off of there, but I keep thinking I'm missing something, and I'm probably not. Okay. One last wipe down the microcloth. Put that over the top. Hey, that's pretty cool, man. I like that. And then we're going to peel that off. Just like that. Wow, that's pretty cool. So it's basically going to adhere. You can see the bubbles. It's going to adhere fully to the display. I usually power down my devices, but in case I get a phone call or a text that I need to get. So you just got to work those bubbles out. And it really looks really nice as far as the edges. There's a little bit of room there, and that's going to be a good thing for my case or any other case. That doesn't necessarily mean that all cases are going to work with a screen protector. They should. There's a lot of space right there on the edges and at the top, at the bottom, a lot of room for a case to work. So I'm going to work all that out here in a little bit. I don't want to spend a lot of time doing that, so we can go ahead and get to the case. I don't want to make this like a forever video like I typically do. Shamo. Yeah. Yeah, so this is a hard plastic polycarbonate back, TPU sides. And you got your cutouts right there at the bottom. Speaker, mic, lightning port, charging port area. Cutout for the 2 cameras, flash, sensor, volume rocker, up, down, and your switch there to mute your ringer, to mute everything. And you got those bumpers, reinforced bumpers. I like that. Feels a little bit of flex, just a little bit, because of that polycarbonate back. Okay, so I'm going to get my little towel here and wipe the back down, and we're going to, wow, that's nice. Got a little bit of lip, not a ton of lip, so you got to be careful on what surface you're going to be setting down your iPhone 11 sporting this Shamo clear case. On most flat surfaces should be fine. If that flat surface is a little rough, you might want to lay it down like that. But yeah, there's a little bit of lip there, just very, very little, but just enough. Just enough. Man, barely. Okay. Speaker, mic, lightning charging port area there. And got the camera cut out back there. And what we want to see here is to make sure that the cutout rises above the cameras there. And it does. There's a little bit of depth there, and that is really what I wanted to see. That's what I wanted to see. You can see the depths right there. It's a good view. Okay, you do not want to damage those cameras. So when setting down, again, on most flat surfaces, you should be fine. I'll be receiving some cases, reviewing them, and some of those cases are going to hide the beauty, the sexiness, the boldness of this device, but that's okay. So I'll be sporting this for a little bit. I'm going to work those bubbles out, but that's it. Till my next video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being a part. God bless. Peace. I am out. By the way, if you are not subscribed, please subscribe to TMI Project 13 and share the videos on all your social media. Now I am out.